Although surface treatment of aluminum may be done by plating or chemical conversion coating, anodizing is known to be the most typical method. Anodizing has been used from long ago as a means to increase resistance to corrosion and wear of aluminum substrate materials. Typically, in contact with the atmosphere, the aluminum surface is covered with an aluminum oxide layer with a thickness of less than 1 to 2 micrometers. Due to its low thickness, high porosity, and low mechanical strength, this layer does not protect the metal from corrosion. Anodizing for protective and decorative purposes is the most common method of the superficial oxidation processes and is carried out through anodized oxidation.